Someone asked me recently, why would anyone come to your DNA office if they could just buy a DNA kit from Walmart or Amazon? Well, let's start with the biggest difference. You can't do legal DNA tests at home. Home DNA kits from Walmart or Amazon are non-legal, meaning they have zero standing in court. They cannot be used for child custody, child support, immigration cases, estate or inheritance cases, or court order paternity tests. Why? Because legal tests require what's called a chain of custody. Professional collected samples, the signature log test participants, documented photo ID, a verified witness, and transport directly to an accredited lab. A Walmart or Amazon kit simply cannot meet those standards. If someone needs court admissible results, a DNA testing facility is the only option. Number two, a few tests like the non-invasive prenatal paternity test require a blood draw. A non-invasive prenatal paternity test involves drawing a blood sample from the expectant mother, a cheek swab from the alleged father, and specialized equipment. This cannot be done at home. Your office coordinates the blood draw and ensures proper handling and shipping, along with best next steps. Home DNA kits simply don't offer this. Most retail home DNA kits are not processed by AABB accredited labs. AABB accreditation is the gold standard for accuracy, reliability, and legal acceptance. Without that accreditation, accuracy is questionable. Clients choose a DNA testing facility because they want top grade accuracy, AABB level reliability, and professional oversight. Another thing, people incorrectly perform home DNA tests all the time. You'd be surprised how often people touch the cotton tip, eat or drink before swabbing, contaminate the swab, mix up or mislabel envelopes, let samples sit too long exposed, or leave them in hot mailboxes. This leads to inconclusive results, weeks of delays, retesting, wasted money, and more stress. At a DNA testing facility, samples are collected properly. Next, privacy and discretion. Many people do not want DNA kits delivered to their home or in their home, period. For many people, purchasing a home kit or ordering one online would create household tension and could spark conflict, arguments, or even violence. Many people don't want a DNA kit arriving at home or their family, girlfriend, or wife finding a DNA kit in their home. Bottom line, people don't want their business exposed. A DNA testing facility provides discreet in-person appointments, no packages, no questions, a safe place to speak about sensitive topics, and most importantly, no drama. Privacy and discretion is a major selling point. Another major limitation of retail DNA kits is that they only test cheek swabs. But sometimes people need to test toothbrushes, hair, underwear, razors, dental floss, cigarette butts, nail clippings, used tissues, bedding, chewed gum, straws, cups, or spoons. These are called non-standard forensic samples, and they must be handled by a professional lab through a DNA testing facility. Home kits simply do not offer this. Home DNA kits only accept cheek swabs. A DNA testing facility gives clients options home DNA kits simply don't. Lastly, people choose a DNA testing facility because they get faster turnaround times, step-by-step support, someone who can interpret and explain results, guidance on legal next steps, and help connecting with attorneys if necessary. Answers to sensitive questions, emotional support, and most importantly, a real human who cares. Someone to hear them and listen to them. Most home DNA kits offer no live support, no personalized guidance, and no accountability. So when you really break it down, a DNA testing facility offers legal court admissible testing, prenatal testing, top grade accuracy, accredited professional labs, correct sample collection, discreet private service, non-standard sample testing, fast results, and expert support. Home DNA kits offer none of these advantages. And that's why people choose DNA testing facilities over a do-it-yourself home DNA kit. I hope you found this video valuable. If you did and you want my help starting your own DNA testing business, I left a link in the description below where you can apply to work with me directly. But other than that, I thank you for watching to the end. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.